Hi folks, today I am preparing ghewar with rabdi. It is very famous Rajasthani sweet. During festive season, it's available in almost all sweet shops. So let's start. I am taking in a broad utensil a cup of butter. Okay, now I am taking 4 to 5 ice cubes and now I will whip by hand till it reaches the silky and smooth paste. So make sure it's absolutely smooth and with no grains inside it. It looks creamy. So at this stage I will remove the ice cubes. You can feel by hand it's very smooth. See? Now again I will whip by hand for 2 to 3 minutes. Ghee is perfectly smooth and ready and it's look like cream. See? Now let's add the flour to it and mix. We will add it little by little and mix it. Let's add more flour. We will continue whipping it, adding the flour. I have to make a very smooth texture. There should be no lumps. The water should also be added little by little. And see, the ice water has been melted. So now I will add water. It is chilled. We will keep adding water and whipping it. Now add 1 spoon of besan or chickpea flour. Halwai also doing this. So follow this video and use all tips and tricks. Now mix it thoroughly with the chilled water. And after 5 to 6 minutes, the mix is ready now and it has thin and pouring consistency. See? I am again adding 1 tablespoon of chilled water and mix it. See? It's a pouring consistency. So our ghewar mix is ready. Approximately 2 cup of water I had used. So don't keep further this ghewar mixture. I have to make right now. Here I am heating ghee in a thick bottom saucepan or chai wala pan. So it should be like this. At high flame, ghee should be heating. Now at this stage, add a big ladle full, little by little into the pan. See? Carefully. See? After some time, the bubbles will be settled down. See? Again, I will pour some mixture. And at the desired thickness, you can make the ghewar. As soon as bubbles settle down, I am again pouring the mixture. See, mixture should be dropped at height and it's very slow. See, color is changing and it's getting golden brown. With very carefully I am moving all the oil so that the above part of this ghewar is cooked properly. See, the sides of it become golden. So with the help of knife I am cutting like this and ghewar will be perfectly cooked in the ghee. See the color, that is what we need. So at this stage I will take it very carefully from the ghee. See, the ghewar is totally dipped in the ghee. So here I am taking a plate. I will put the ghewar upon this plate. So the ghee will be dripping down. Now again I will make all the ghewar like this process. So at this amount of batter, I am preparing 4 to 5 number of ghewar. See, all the ghewar has been preparing. See, a perfect net style ghewar is ready. It's very delicate, so take it out very carefully. So here I have prepared all the ghevar. Now we will prepare sugar syrup. In a pan, take 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. So mix it at the medium flame. Let it boil for 5 minutes. See, the sugar will melt it down and sugar syrup will be ready. Pour with a spoon. You will see the last drop of the sugar syrup will drop very slowly. So at this stage sugar syrup will be ready. So I will put it aside. And a thick bottom pan, I will take 1 liter full cream milk. So let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. And now I will add 2 spoons of the sugar. Mix it, and I am taking 1 cardamom, green cardamom. I will peel it, and the black part of the seed I will add it. And now again mix it, and at the medium flame I have to boil it for 20 minutes, right? So milk should become thick and creamy. Meanwhile, stir occasionally. So after 20 to 22 minutes, rabdi is ready. See, a perfect creamy and smooth rabdi is ready. So now ghevar rabdi. So take ghevar and spread the sugar syrup around it. See, 4 to 5 spoons of sugar syrup I am spreading here. And now garnish with the rabdi. So the crispy ghevar and silky and creamy rabdi, it's a wonderful delicacy of the India. In every part of state has their own kind of mithai, and a number of sweet meat is here. So see, a perfect creamy, delicious and crispy ghevar with rabdi is ready. So now why we will buy from the market? You can prepare in your kitchen only. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel. It's totally free, and don't forget to like and share. It will make my day.